Hey guys, it's AgriAdmin here and welcome in my second lesson of my free Python course from zero to hero. Let's hope to hero. By the way, I decided to do these short lessons. Thanks to that, you can just focus on one lesson and then you can exercise that, and I think that way you can learn more than give it a whole hour or 2 hour long video. If you like that idea, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit notification bell so you don't miss any lessons. Okay, quick recap from the first one. On the first lesson we learned that there are 3 variables and they are integer as numbers, there are floats as a not equal number, it's a dot number, and strings. Now we will learn about operations precedence. So what does it mean? It means which operation goes first. So let's say on the example, so we have variable p, and let's say we want to see what is 5 plus, it's a 5 plus 2 multiplied by 3. So what do you think is a result of that equation? Okay, so if you guessed 11, that is correct guess, and it's 11. Why it's not 21? Due to operation precedence. So the Python will execute 2 multiplied by 3 first, which is 6, and then addition 5 plus 6, it's 11. Okay, so but how about if we go for this? And we do print t. Now we get 21 because the first goes operation in the brackets. So it's 5 plus 2, it's 7, multiplied by 3, it's 21. Let's check that. And you can see it's 21. So to more know about all the operations precedence, go to my website, which is angrysysops.com, and in the Python section you will see the block entry called operators precedence. So that table shows all the operators from highest precedence to the lowest. So everything which goes on the top goes first to the bottom. Okay, so let's see on another example. It's a lesson 1.2 where we have a task to multiply a by b and divide by c, and we see the hint that result should be 35.0. Okay, so it's very easy to do. I will give you a few seconds to think about it, or you can jump to your IDE and do that along with me. Okay, so let's see. A multiplied by b and divide by c. Yeah, and to see the result we just need to print it out. Also, let's check what type of variable will be the result. So print, as you know, let's go type now, and we put a variable here, and let's have a look. And you see the result is 3, 5.0, and class is float. Alright, so it's always nice to check what type of variable it is. Okay, let's have a look on another operator, which is a rise to the power of. Okay, so to rise to the power of, you have those 2 stars together, and let's have a look. So let's put the variable c, which is equals, and now we do the a to the power of b, and we print the result. And we see what type the result is. We should get a 512. Yeah, and see we have a 512 and the class is integer. And again, I would advise you to check my blog angrysysops.com about the operators. And that's everything for this lesson. And please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Click notification bell not to miss another lesson. Okay, see you then. Bye.